Before you head to the garden center for harsh chemicals next time, stop. The solution for aphids might be hiding right in your kitchen. Today, I'm revealing 3 powerful recipes using ingredients you likely already have at home. One of your favorite kitchen spices can become an aphid's worst enemy. If you want to keep chemicals out of your orchard and vegetable garden, cinnamon is the solution you're looking for. Aphids cannot stand the smell or texture of cinnamon. It doesn't just act as a perfect repellent, it also works as a powerful fungicide, preventing fungal growth in areas where aphids have already caused damage. The preparation process is very simple. Add 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon to about 1 quart of warm water. Make as much as you need. Mix well. Let it sit for a few hours, then strain it. The crucial step is to filter the liquid through a thick cloth or similar material. I usually put a cotton ball in the funnel. The filtered liquid won't clog your sprayer nozzle. Add a few drops of eco-friendly dish soap to the strained solution. This will help the spray stick to the plant better and last longer. Application of the cinnamon spray in the field should be done early in the morning or in the evening. In my garden, aphids first appear on rosebuds and wild roses. They can also be found on the top leaves of cherry branches. Focus on the underside of the leaves, as that's where these little pests hide. Cinnamon also repels ants, and we'll talk about the symbiosis between ants and aphids a bit later. This treatment is completely safe for bees, your pets, and most importantly, you. However, cinnamon doesn't work equally well on all types of aphids. If you're looking for an alternative way to stop aphids, caterpillars, and other pests, it's time to spice things up. Cayenne pepper isn't just for cooking. It's one of the strongest natural repellents that literally drives pests away from your plants. The secret is in the capsaicin. What gives us a spicy sensation acts like tear gas for insects. It forces them to leave your flower bed, garden, or orchard in record time. Preparation is quick. With hot peppers, dosing can be tricky depending on how spicy they are. A concentration of capsaicin that is too strong can actually harm the plants. Always test it on a single leaf before spraying the entire plant. I add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder to about 1 quart of water. It's best to mix the pepper with warm water to release all the essential oils. Keep it in a jar for a few hours, then strain the liquid. Any leftover powder could ruin your sprayer. Add a few drops of liquid detergent. It acts as the glue that keeps your bioinsecticide on the leaf surface. Spray directly onto the aphid colonies, but be careful. Protect your eyes because this spray is just as spicy for us. It's best to apply the treatment during calm weather, away from direct sunlight. This spray is ideal for fruit trees and vegetables. Pests will learn their lesson after the very first contact. To round off the story, let's look at the third effective ingredient against aphids. We get it after a fire: wood ash. In the world of organic gardening, wood ash is pure gold. Not only is it a natural fertilizer, but it's also one of the oldest natural solutions for removing aphids. I've had great experiences with it. White aphids completely disappear after 2 treatments with ash. The preparation is very similar. First, sift the ash to remove any large chunks. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of wood ash with about 1 quart of water. After it sits, filter the liquid. Spray early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Wood ash works in two ways. It changes the pH level on the leaves, which aphids hate, and it has an abrasive structure that dehydrates their bodies. Dry dusting with ash is also possible. It's best to sprinkle sifted wood ash over aphid colonies early in the morning when there is dew. The dew will fix the ash in place, and the aphids will be gone after the first treatment. You might have noticed ants hanging around aphids. A long time ago, I thought ants ate aphids, but they don't. What is the actual role of the ant? Ants are the bodyguards of aphids. This incredible phenomenon is a pure business partnership. Aphids secrete honeydew, a sweet, nutritious liquid that is a treat for ants. In return, ants aggressively defend them from ladybugs and other predators. They even physically move them from dry leaves to fresh, juicy ones so their herd always has food. And finally, one important thing every gardener should know. In the field, you'll encounter various types, from tiny green ones to brown, and even stubborn black and white aphids. It's important to understand that each of these preparations we made today might not work equally well on every species. So be persistent and test them out. Maybe cinnamon will do the job for you, or maybe it'll take the cayenne pepper to drive the pests away. This isn't harsh chemistry that burns everything in its path. It's pure nature. Be sure to repeat the treatment 2 to 3 times every few days to ensure total protection. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends who are interested in organic solutions and healthy gardening. Write to me in the comments, which of these 3 recipes proved most effective for you? Your experiences mean a lot to me and to everyone else watching. Once you've cleared your garden of aphids, don't relax just yet, because another big nuisance is coming. To see how to fight stink bugs naturally, watch this video I'm leaving on the screen for you.